So this tutorial is about how to use a protractor. You did cover this back in grade 6, but we're just going to take another peek at it today. So first of all, a protractor, this device, measures the degrees in an angle. Angles can be as small as 1 degree. Actually, they can be smaller. It can be a half a degree if they need to be, or as large as 360, which is a full circle. So first thing you do, actually, you know what? I'm not even going to read through these. If you'd like to read through them yourself, that's great. But I'm actually just going to go ahead and show you how this works. So here's a few angles that we can measure via the internet. I kind of scammed these. And this is the protractor we're going to use. It's kind of an interesting one. Let's give it a try. So first thing we do is we line up our protractor right on the vertex. And the vertex of an angle is this part right here. And we're going to line it up right in the middle, right in that spot right there. So let's line it up, just so. And then you'll see this flat edge on the bottom of the protractor. That has to line up with the bottom edge of whatever angle you are measuring. So see if I can attempt to do this. There we got her lined up. Just got to move it back so it's right on the vertex here. Okay, there, we are good now. And now we measure, we take a look at how big this angle is. Now, what is sometimes confusing to some is that we have two scales here. We have one that starts from 0 here, and the other one starts from 0 on the other side. So when we look at our angle here, it measures either 125 or so, 26, or 55. We just don't know which one it is. So then you ask yourself the magic question. Is this angle larger or smaller than 90 degrees? Yes, it is larger. So it's going to be bigger than 90 degrees. So now we know we're not using this one here. We're using this over here. And if we follow our arrow up to about here, looks like we got 126 degrees. So this angle here is 126 degrees. Okay, let's try this one over here. First thing I'm going to do is get her nice and lined up. There we go. And then this portion, again, goes right on our vertex, right there. And now we can measure this angle right here. Now again, are we using this scale that starts at 0 here? Or are we using this one that's at 180? So once again, you ask yourself the magic question. Is this angle here larger than 90 degrees or smaller than 90 degrees? And it is smaller, you're right. So that means we're going to do this one right here. It'll be between 40 and 50. In fact, it's about 40, looks like 47 degrees. Okay, let's just do one more. We'll twist it so it's nice and straight. And then again, we put this portion right on our vertex, right there. Actually, your protractors are a lot more functional than this one is. We should have actually a crosshair right here, so you know exactly where the vertex goes, but whatever. All right, so again, we've got this angle right in here, and we want to know how big it is. First of all, can you tell me, is this angle here larger or smaller than 90 degrees? Yeah, it is. It's slightly smaller than 90 degrees. You can kind of tell. So, are we going to be between 90 and 100 or 80 and 90? For smaller than 90. Right, we're going to be between 80 and 90. In fact, we're about 80, that's at 85, 86, about 86 degrees is what we've got here. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to measuring an angle.